And hello and welcome to another exterior video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And in today's video I wanted to do a long-term video review of my Portland power wash. I had it for over 4 years now, I believe, and I just wanted to talk about it and let you guys know how it's been working so far. And to my surprise, it still works. After all these years, after all the time that I've been using it, it still works. I washed my car with this regularly. I washed different cars. I used it around the house and it still works pretty good. It's enough for me to wash my car. I mean, maybe it's not the most powerful power wash, but it's fine. Probably the only issue with this is this very little and not so great foam cannon. I should have upgraded it a long time ago. I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description of the foam cannon, which is probably better to get, and maybe one day I get it as well. I just keep forgetting it, and yeah, when time comes to wash it I just use still this one, but it still works. Let me just connect it. And as for the maintenance, honestly, I did not do anything to it during the maintenance. All I do is just to make sure it's empty of water, that it doesn't have any water in it. When I store it for the winter, I just drain it, make sure there's no water, and I use it. And it's been pretty good all this time. Now probably it's gonna be funny if the next time I use it, it's gonna break after I make this video, but hey, it's been over a few years and I think it's pretty good so far. So let me just connect it. So all I do is just simply connect my water to it, undo the hose, connect the hose to here, screw it all the way, connect the gun, lock it in, connect the power, and that's it. So the power is on, everything is on. So let's turn it on, and there you go. It works. It works. So now I'm just gonna start washing my car, then I'm gonna connect the foam cannon, and I'm gonna show you how the foam cannon works. Alright guys, so let me show you how the foam cannon works. Well, it's not really a cannon. I'm using purple power. Maybe it's not even the best thing to use, but I mean, for me it works. As you can see, it doesn't really create a thick foam, but I think it's the stuff that I use is not really meant for that. But I've been getting by so far fine. I mean, as you can see, it doesn't create a lot of foam, but I think it's a combination of me using the wrong cannon and using the wrong soap. This is not really a foamy soap. It's like more of a to take out all the grease and stuff like that. So now I'm just gonna get a towel, wet towel, and start scrubbing it all off. And I'm using really cheap car soap, like from AutoZone, maybe like it was $4 or something. If you were to use a proper car soap and a better foam cannon, it would be much better result. But it works pretty good for me. Maybe eventually I'm gonna upgrade it, get a better foam cannon, and yeah. But this works as well for me. Also picked up this wheel cannon. I'm not sure I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna just add it in the description, but this works pretty good. It's pretty strong. So that way I can wash underneath. It helps a lot, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna leave that link in the description as well. And alright guys, and the truck is all washed inside, outside, and even I washed some of it under the hood. Maybe not the cleanest, maybe I'm gonna have to wash it again. I disconnect the negative terminal before I did that, and it was very dirty. Now it's much better. But anyway guys, so there you go. It's a quick review, quick update on a Portland cheap Harbor Freight power wash. I mean, it works fine for my needs. But let me know guys what you use, and if you guys have any suggestions as to what soap I should use, let me know. I would really like to find out. But as of now, just gonna finish up, clean up everything, and let the truck dry overnight. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.